Them give me a blight today. Them chop it off your fuck. Yo, shout out to everybody on my mother flipping live. Yo, sexy Neefy, big up yourself. You understand? I'm not even in that mood today. I'm gonna block you right now. Yeah, let me block you. No bad vibes in the day, yeah? I'm up. I'm alive. I'm feeling good. All my bills are not paid, but I feel good. I don't have everything that I want, but I feel good. You understand what I'm saying? I'm cool. I'm alright. All my kids are alive. The people that I love are alive. I'm alive. I'm feeling good today in myself. You know, I don't give a rat's ass about who has 10 billion US dollars or $1 million Jamaica. I don't care. I'm just happy to be here right now. I'm just happy to be seeing people reacting to me on my Instagram. I'm just happy to be looking like 17 years old, you know what I mean? I'm just happy to be in the free world. I'm just happy to be here, you know what I mean? I don't give a fuck about what nobody got going on, right? I'm just happy to be here. I'm happy to see my fans. I'm happy to know that people still care to watch me on this social media. That's what I'm talking about. I gotta say, why you not hearing Annie? Turn up the volume on the side of your phone. Because everybody else is hearing me. Yeah, I just want to say, shout out to my friend, Ayakten. It's his birthday today. You know, we had the album release last weekend. Yeah, it was Saturday. So I want to say big shout out to, Bayomi Muir, you know.